Hello friends, welcome back to another video. If this is the first video you are viewing on this channel, you're very much welcome. And if you have been seeing other videos, thank you for coming back. Now let's move to the next constraint called unique. So I have written a create table command here, and I said my customer ID must be unique. So what does this do to my table? This unique makes sure that no two values in the rows that I've specified to be unique would be the same. You can't have customer A to be 1 and customer B to also be 1. So you are making sure that whenever data is being inputted in this table, no two rows, no two customers have the same customer ID. Now let's see that work. So let's create our customer table. Our table has been created successfully. Now I have intentionally inserted two values that are the same, two customer IDs that are the same value into our customer table. Let's see what happens. Violation of the unique key constraints. So I'm telling my table that this customer ID has to be unique always. And now that I'm trying to insert two values into it that are the same, it's not allowing me. So I cannot insert value 100 the same time. So I have to change this to make sure that my value is inserted. These constraints are really important to make sure that you ensure data integrity, because down the line when you're doing business intelligence, you don't want the same customer to have the same customer ID. That is why it is important to specify keys or constraints in your data when you're creating them. So you see that my data has been successfully created. Now I have inserted. What happens also when I want to insert a null into my unique key? So let's assume I put a null here, and let's say this is 300. So let's try this. Another Alice and Bob. So it says violation of unique key on customer. Cannot insert duplicate key in the customer because customer ID is also unique. Normally we shouldn't set our customer name to be unique. That is a mistake on my hand. So let's give them some other name. Let's say Joy and Charles. So let's try this again. I've been able to insert a null into my unique key. Now let me try inserting another null into my unique table. So the name is Keith and another null ID. Let's see what happens. Violation of unique constraint key. Cannot insert duplication key in the object. So because it is null also cannot appear more than one in a unique key constraint. So it can allow you to have a null, just one null in a unique key constraint, because when you have two nulls, that means you're having the same value different times. So that is what unique does.
If you have watched the video to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel so that the YouTube algorithm will share the video with others like you that want premium SQL content like this, or that wants to learn. So if you subscribe, you're also encouraging others to learn what you're learning. Kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified that another video has been up. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.